Hey Case, so I'm driving, but I wanted to tell you a story that just happened to me. So I had a promo at Dulles Airport for USO Wounded Warriors. They're going to London for a Special Olympics between Wounded Warriors of different countries. It was a send-off. You know my troubles with my license I've been having the past couple of days, and you know, I got it back on Thursday morning. I don't know if you do know that. You know, I told you that. I got my license back Thursday morning. So I guess I misplaced it because I forgot it when I went to Dulles Airport. Thought it was in my wallet. I think I took it out and put it in my purse. So the USO people were like, well, it sucks. Like, we have another cheerleader here, so I guess you can just go home or something. And I was like, oh, okay. And so everyone leaves to go because the soldiers apparently are about to board. I was like, I have my Redskins ID. It has my picture on it. I have my checkbook with my name and address. And I have a credit card with my name on it. Like, this, I'm not taking no for an answer. I'm getting to that promo. I'm not going to be emailing my coach that I didn't make it. So, with the help of this nice woman, we, you know, talked our way to TSA. TSA approved it. I had to get a special boarding pass, even though it wasn't boarding, but to get through, had to get searched and scanned, the body scan. They looked through my bag and had 2 pat-downs. 2 pat-downs, is that necessary? But they're, whatever. 2 pat-downs, and had to literally run through Dulles Airport. They were at the complete, you know, far end because it was international. So get on a tram, go to this gate. I'm sprinting, and at this point, I mean, the promo was only 45 minutes long to begin with, so it had been 45 minutes, and I was like, I'm probably missing this. I mean, so I sprint. Luckily, I don't even know how I guessed the right gate. I heard someone say C3, and so I guessed that gate. It could have been this woman who was helping me thought it was the other one because there are 2 planes for London, and one was C3, one was C23, and they were completely opposite sides of the airport. And luckily I picked the right one, and I sprinted down, and I show up, like, there's like the Olympic swimmer talking, and I come up to my teammate, and she's like, how are you here? And I was like, long story. And I was like, what did I miss? And she goes, we literally just walked up here. She just started her speech. And I was like, oh my God, I could not believe that. So I didn't miss anything except walking with the group, which doesn't matter, but luckily got to, you know, sign some photos and take some photos with soldiers, and actually be there for the promo, which it's always really rewarding to do those military promos. They're so happy. It's just such a breath of fresh air with them, and it was really fun, and I'm just glad I didn't give up. And so the moral of the story is never ever give up, and I need to hang on to my license and take better care of it, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you that funny story, and what is it, Saturday? And I guess maybe we'll try to pick up where we left off with the challenges of the week. Oh, I did meet someone from Ireland. So I told him we were going to Ireland, and we actually should start playing that. So I think the theme of the week should be things we want to do in Ireland, maybe. And you know, next week, you told me to wait to get the iPad. I'm gonna get that damn iPad sooner or later. So yeah, just when it comes out and all that information, just tell me which one to get, and I trust your judgment. And I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Hope your legs are feeling better. And